I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the problem is one-sided and not the source. You want to swap cables or pair with a second device. This separates Bluetooth and jack issues. Once done, visually inspect the ear cup seam, hinge, and charging port for corrosion or hairline damage. Make sure the volume balance on your device is centered. On iOS/Android, this can route sound to one side. If balance is fine, power cycle the headphones and prepare small tools, a plastic Torx or Phillips, and a soft cloth. Now you open the ear cup to find the fault. Use a plastic pry to lift the cushion, remove screws, and separate the shell. Work slow to avoid popping clips. Once open, locate the speaker leads and any flex ribbon, unplug them and note their orientation for reassembly. Use a multimeter to check continuity across the speaker coil and through any switches. If the speaker has no continuity, it's likely blown. If leads show intermittent contact, clean connectors with isopropyl alcohol and reseat firmly. Replace the damaged speaker or repair broken solder joints. Apply flux and use a fine tip iron to avoid bridging. Once repaired, carefully reattach ribbons and leads, then reassemble the shell, ensuring clips and screws are snug but not over-tightened. Power on and test both wired and Bluetooth playback, checking balance again. If one side still underperforms, reset the headphones per Beats instructions and test with another device. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent audio remains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.